A circuit is a closed loop through which electrons travel. This path through which electricity flows and does some work, in this particular case, lights the bulb, is referred to as a circuit. There are two types of circuits: series and parallel. In another session, we dealt with the series circuit. In this session, let's focus on the parallel circuit. Consider a circuit having a 120-volt source of power, a switch, and a 60-watt light bulb. This represents a simple series circuit. But if we were to add one more light bulb and use wires to connect it to both the power source and our initial bulb, we will now have a parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, there will be two or more paths through which the current can flow. In this case of the light bulb, one path will be from the battery to the first bulb and back to the battery. Another path will be from the battery to the second bulb and back. When the switch is closed, both bulbs will glow brightly, receiving the full 120 volts. In a parallel circuit, voltage will be equal through any path on the circuit. If we add a third 60-watt bulb to the circuit, we will see no change. Each bulb will still continue receiving 120 volts, and all of the bulbs will glow with equal brightness. The total current flowing in a parallel circuit will be equal to the sum of the currents being used in each path. Let's see how this works. Let's connect two resistors. In this case, two light bulbs, in parallel with nodes at point A and point B. 12 amps of current from the battery will flow into point A and will divide into two paths. One path is through B1 branch with resistor 1 and the other through B2 branch with resistor 2. Through the B1 branch with resistor 1, 4 amps of current will flow, and through the B2 branch, 8 amps of current will flow. At the junction C, both the branches will meet. When the current flows from the point C towards the battery, it will become 12 amps. This can be given in an equation form. IT is equals to I1 plus I2 plus and so on. An advantage of the parallel circuit is that if any one of our three bulbs burns out, the circuit will not open and the current will still flow. This is why most of the wiring in homes is done using parallel circuits. It all comes from the same power source. But as you can see, switching off one light bulb in a room will not stop TV from working. Summary: a circuit is a closed loop through which electrons travel. A parallel circuit has resistors arranged in branches, allowing the current to flow through multiple paths.